Ciao, fellow Vita comrades, and welcome. Last year we have received top-notch ports like GTA Trilogy, Max Payne and Bully. This year we have also received many amazing ports, and in today's video I want to highlight some of them, not all of them cause 2022 is not over yet. Plus of course the PS Vita Ports Awards video for the year 2022 is coming out as well. Click subscribe to make sure you're not gonna miss it, and now let's get cracking. But first, quick word from the sponsor of today's video, AweSun Remote. With their service, you are able to remotely access, control and troubleshoot your desktop PC from your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. You can download it for free with just one click. For Windows, iOS and Android, it's very easy to set it up and connect both devices. The connection is encrypted, so you don't need to worry about your privacy. It is extremely fast, so the experience is extremely smooth, well, as long as your internet connection can keep up with it. Many people prefer it over the remote desktop from Microsoft. You can check some reviews on the Play Store for the AweSun Remote Desktop app. The rating is 4.6 stars out of 5, so overwhelmingly positive. They offer different tiers, the most exciting one being of course the gaming tier, where you can even remotely play games from your PC on your smart device. And they also offer great deals. There is very useful mapping feature that allows you to map mouse and keyboard on your touchscreen. Here I'm playing Matrix Path of Neo on my mobile remotely from my Windows laptop, but you can play anything as long as it is installed on your PC. It supports up to 144 FPS. The experience is surprisingly good. They even offer smart plug, so you can remotely turn on your PC from your smartphone when you can't reach it but you want to use it. If you like what you see, go and visit their website, and the first 200 of you that will use my code are getting free 7-day trial of the highest gaming tier. Huge thanks to AweSun for sponsoring this video. On the number 1 we have Fallout 2 Community Edition, ported by Nordfear and originally made by Alex Batalo. I know for some people this is not exactly what they imagine when you say AAA game, but for many of us, including myself, this is a dream come true. Ever since I started this channel, I always dreamed about playing my beloved isometric Fallout on my beloved discontinued handheld platform. And in 2022, my dream finally came true. Yeah, I know, it isn't perfect. Recently I was even playing it on a Steam Deck, and it also leaves a lot to be desired, but I'm still feeling blessed we have it on our Vitas. And I'm still hoping eventually they're gonna implement the character movement to the joystick, similarly like it is on a Devolution X, aka original Diablo port, where you can move the character with the joystick and you are not so reliant on the mouse cursor. Number 2, Fahrenheit Indigo Prophecy, ported by Renegatamente. I believe this is the largest PS Vita port up to date with 3.94 GB in size. It is a port of mobile version of the game. It is still on version 0.8, mainly because of the inconsistent frame rate and some crash here and there. Remember, this is a homebrew. In spite of that, Fahrenheit Indigo Prophecy is a cool third-person action-adventure kind of interactive film video game that absolutely deserves to be on this list. It was originally released in 2005 for PS2, Xbox and Windows, and in 2015 it was remastered for Android, iOS, Linux, Mac and PS4. And from 2022 you can even enjoy it on your PS Vita. Go and install it today! On the number 3, we have of course Dead Space Mobile, ported by Glintwine. Some may say the most anticipated and the biggest release of the 2022, and I tend to agree. Yes, it is only mobile spin-off of the main series, but the graphics are stunning, with the iOS mode even more impressive, and the gameplay is rock solid. Single player campaign can be completed in like 4-5 hours, so there is plenty of content to enjoy. Physical Vita controls are supported, it runs great, and I like to claim that this is the best way to play Dead Space Mobile in 2022. On your PS Vita, go and annihilate some necromorphs if you haven't already. Manic. Number 4, This War of Mine, ported by Rin, back in March 2022. Another one of those hidden gems that I feel flew under many people's radar. This War of Mine is a war survival game developed and published by the Polish 11-bit studios. It differs from most war-themed games by focusing on the civilian experience of war rather than frontline combat. Yes, I know framerate is inconsistent and it drops under 20, but it never really bothered me, because it isn't a first-person shooter or platformer where you definitely need those frames to hit the headshots or jump to the ledge. It ranks high among the critics, and in Zealous Chuck's scorebook it is also classed as a AAA Homebrew experience, so why not to give it a shot? Number 5 is the most recent masterpiece of Mass Effect Infiltrator, ported by Glintwine. It has gained the hearts of many comrades, and it is no wonder why. It is an incredible port of mobile game from back in the day when they actually used to be good and not just another cash grabs. Another spin-off of the main franchise, and after Dead Space, another impressive game developed by Iron Monkey Studios. Physical Vita controls are supported, and the action-packed gameplay will surely not let you down. This is the combination that equals to 10 out of 10 experience, and of course another essential must-install homebrew title, like every other game on this list. First honorable mention, they didn't quite make it to the top 5, but I couldn't just not include it, is the port of Sonic Mania by Sonic Master. Forced integer scaling, mod and DLC support, what else can a Sonic fan ask for? For Sonic Frontiers? Why not, but definitely not on the Vita. Second honorable mention is the port of Shadowgun. Yeah, I know it isn't finished, there are some glitches and whatnot, but I truly enjoyed my time spent with it. The gameplay isn't as good as Mass Effect, but it is definitely challenging and you can even change the difficulty if it's too easy for you. All in all, solid addition, and I hope for some update in the future. Thumbs up! Thanks to developers for hard work. Thanks to you for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe, because there is more quality content coming your way. Peace out!
What are the orders, sir?
Before we take over the base, we need your squad to reconfigure the DNA of the specimen.
Consider it done.
Oh, that's just great. I shouldn't trust those backstabbing bastards from Toltec.